Hey everybody, welcome to my Nespresso D290 unboxing. For those of you who aren't 100% sure, the Nespresso D290 was on sale at Amazon over the past week, probably for Black Friday shopping, so I got it for a really good deal. This particular model is, I believe it's discontinued, or either that or Nespresso is trying to sell their remaining stock. So I was pretty stoked to get it at a really good price. In any case, welcome to the unboxing. So as you can see, it's a brand new box. Just received it from UPS today. I haven't opened it yet, so I'm excited to take a look and see what we got here. As you can see, Nespresso does ship it directly in its original box directly from Nespresso, so you know you're getting a good quality product here. So let's open it up and see what we got. Alright, so this is what is inside the box. You have your Nespresso machine, and you've got the milk frother. I actually bought the package with the milk frother Arancino. So that's actually what comes in it. This by itself is worth $100, so it's a good value if you're looking for a milk frother. So let's just put that one over here. Packing box. And of course the good stuff. Got an espresso machine right there. So I am gonna move this out so you guys can get a better view of what is inside. I don't know if that makes it any easier. Hopefully that'll help a little. Alright, perfect. So, as I was saying, this is the D290. It's that machine right there. So let's take a look and see what we got. This isn't the best camera. Alright, so first things, looks like we have a box. It's a very fancy looking box, might add. And let's see what's inside. Oh, alright, so here we have an important information guide telling you about the warranty, I guess. And telling you not to return. That's okay, it's really difficult to return things with Amazon anyways. And you've got your Nespresso club card. That's pretty cool. It's actually a magnet, so you can stick it on your fridge, I guess, if you forget things easily. And you've got the Nespresso folder, which has all of the details of your machine. tabs here, you have just a whole bunch of information. But it is a really good quality folder. I'm very surprised that this all comes with a coffee machine. I guess Nespresso's really trying to class things up here. It's pretty cool. Okay, so to the actual product now. We've got your sampler pack here. And I believe there are 16 capsules that come with it. They all range from different strengths. You can probably just go to Nespresso.com and check them out and decide, what flavor is best for you and strength level. If you happen to be in a city that has a Nespresso boutique, you can stop by and get a free espresso. You can ask them to, let you test out the flavors and see which one it is that you like. Nespresso boutiques are very hard to find, really usually only in major cities. So, but otherwise, you can always go to Nespresso.com and get a peek of, what sort of flavors that they have. Included in the box, I was really surprised to see that. They have a saucer. If it comes out here. Oh, 2 saucers. Okay, so you've got your saucer, you've got a lungo cup, and you've also got an espresso cup, a single shot cup. Those are really stuck in there tight, so I'm just going to worry about those later. But either way, that's pretty cool, included. Okay. So to the actual machine here. Another really fancy box. Oh, that's the milk frothing wand and the suction tube for the milk. That's pretty cool. Instruction manual, all the nitty-gritty on how to use the actual device. It's always a good thing to have. And for the piece de resistance, we have the actual unit. It's a pretty good looking unit. So I'm just gonna grab it. Let's see if I can move it over to the counter. It's easier for everybody to see. So there we have it, the Nespresso D290. Got your water reservoir here, the actual unit that where you put the pods in, your buttons for the cup size, your on-off button, steam release button here. And you have your drip tray. Alright, thanks for watching, guys.